Namaste. Welcome to Dignified Menstruation YouTube channel. Today we present about the role of menstrual discrimination for forced or child marriage. The link between child marriage and menstrual discrimination yet to explore globally. Global South Coalition for Dignified Menstruation found so many evidences that there is a strong connection between menstrual discrimination and child marriage. Here we present an example of connection between two. Hope you remember the concept of menstrual impurity or pollution leads menstrual discrimination, and menstrual discrimination construct the power and patriarchy. Also, you remember the practice of menstrual discrimination vary from place to place, culture to culture, etc. Let's begin. During the menstruation, if the girl continue her education or continue her school, she has to wake up early. It could be 4 a.m., 5 a.m. For her extra activities like cleaning, get ready for the school. While preparing for the school, her regular activities also disturbed because of the menstrual practice. She's living with a deep level of fear, silence, and ignorance. In many places, she could not get the adequate, appropriate information about menstruation. The fear continued, and that is why she wear double layer of panties, double layer of the pad, or double layer of the trousers. And while wearing the clothes, she wear with the light colors. And in a classroom, she sits in the corner or the wall. So in case of leaking, she get rid of from the immediate ostracize or stigma from the friends. And she also avoid extracurricular activities. She did not like to tell with the friends about the menstruation or leaking because she afraid from teasing from her, even from girlfriends, not only the boys or the teachers. And at the meantime, if the school doesn't have a infrastructure appropriate to the menstruating girls, in that case, she would be in more fear. And this is how she has a feeling of fear, scared, afraid of leaking, and she's not paying her attention in class. She failed in a class. She avoid the gatherings like sports or other extracurricular activities. As a result, 5 days in a month, that means 16 days in a year, or 2 months in a year, she keeps disturbing. She could not paying attention for her study or education. So this is how she lost her confidence. She lost her confidence for negotiation, for bargaining. And in the meantime, parents also lost their confidence. And finally, she trapped on marriage. And if the girl could not go to the school, in some places, girls cannot go to the school during the first, second, third time of the menstruation. In some places, few days in every menstruation. So whatever the case, her 2 months in a year heavily distracted, disturbed, or interrupted by the menstrual practices, menstrual discrimination. As a result, she trapped on child marriage. Thank you for listening and keep follow us.